My name is Stephen Newhouse. I'm Head of Technical Services at EMBL EBI. EMBL is an intergovernmental organisation tasked with providing support for the life sciences community in Europe. And EBI, the European Bioinformatics Institute, is an outstation of EMBL that focuses on providing large-scale data and analysis infrastructure for life scientists. Part of that analysis infrastructure is the EMBL EBI Embassy Cloud. The Embassy Cloud is an infrastructure as a service cloud that we've developed over the last 2 years to meet some of the increasing challenges we're finding around the size of the data sets that we're handling and the analysis that our researchers want to undertake with them. As the data is getting so large, it's becoming very difficult for researchers to download that data onto their own local hardware and to do their analysis locally. What the Embassy Cloud allows is for researchers to develop their own virtual machines, to upload those virtual machines to our cloud infrastructure, potentially with their own data, and then to undertake analysis in their own analysis environment with their own data and exploiting the data that we already have hosted within our data centers. This provides the best for all people. The researcher has access to a state-of-the-art computing infrastructure. They do not have to move our large data sets to their compute. Instead, they bring their compute to where our data is located. So doing this at one place is relatively straightforward, as we've shown with the Embassy Cloud. But really the challenge is to build a European-wide infrastructure that can undertake this. Elixir is the umbrella that's driving this activity across Europe within life sciences, but Elixir and the life science community are not the only people doing this. Other communities, high-energy physics, Earth observation, and so forth, are also facing this challenge. And this is why a group of the IRO labs, the European Intergovernmental Research Organizations, have come together and have developed this concept of an e-infrastructure commons. An e-infrastructure commons is where there are a suite of services available for the researcher, some coming from their own community, some accessible from other communities, that are there for them to compose and bring together to meet their individual research needs. So within such an e-infrastructure commons, the ability to move data and to move their compute jobs around between different resource centers is absolutely critical. This is why interoperability for cloud services and for data is so very important, not only just for life scientists, but also for the wider European research area in Europe. Interoperability events such as this are very important in understanding what the current state of the art is in cloud computing and the ability to interface different cloud stacks together, but also in showing the way forward. What are the priorities for integration at the moment that will enable us within Elixir to establish a cloud infrastructure and a wider suite of technical services that will enable life science research for the decade to come.